Do we want a better future? Yes. Do we want to get engaged in pursuing it? Every year, the President of the European Commission stands before members of the European Parliament in a September plenary session. During this address, the President evaluates the current state of the European Union and outlines the agenda for the upcoming year. In 2023, the European Commission representation in Bulgaria tasked us with broadcasting this pivotal speech in a way that will engage Bulgarians with it.
От сърцето на Европа. Думите, които ще покажат посоката пред Съюза. И първите коментари и анализи след най-важната реч на председателя на Европейската комисия Урсула фон дер Лайен.
Sounds important? Yes, it is. But we realize that this news is not attractive to everyone, nor is any moment the right one for consuming such content. That's why, instead of broadcasting it to everyone, and whenever we decide, we aimed for a more narrow audience and left the news available for so long and in so many places that it would be accessible to the target when they are in the mood for serious political topics. That's exactly why we teamed up with two of Bulgaria's media giants, BTV Media Group and Economedia, utilizing their native formats. We aim to broadcast and craft content from the speech, ensuring direct access for our audience on media platforms. This approach capitalized on moments when our audience sought out information, tapping into their readiness to engage with relevant content. We showcased the speech on their YouTube, Facebook, and websites, wrote captivating articles for online and print, and facilitated pre- and post-speech live discussions with analysts. The speech successfully engaged our target audience at the right moments, with both media groups reporting impressive results and interactions. Over 1.5 million impressions across website content, display, social media, and YouTube. Impressively, 10% of these impressions led to active engagement with the European Commission's content, such as articles, videos, posts, and live studio discussions. And the biggest success, a society engaged into a reality we would all be proud to live in.